Hi guys. Today is August 24, 7:15. Pagkaunan ako ni King. Skila na siya. First day of school, Riley. Wake up! Tulog pa. First day of school, Riley. Wake up! Alas 8 yung klase. Yung tulog pa. Kaniti ang makapamahaw. Riley! Wake up na, it's your first day of school. Wake up, Mama said you're gonna eat na. Eat breakfast. Let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Tulog pa! Let's go, baby! Mga naneron. Let's go, baby! Let's go to school! Wake up! It's eat na, breakfast. Eat breakfast. Dili daw siya matas ko. Eat breakfast na lang, yun na. Huh? Eat pancake, waffle. Let's go! I'm successful. Ooh, oh. Wake up, we're gonna eat na, Mama said. Eat. Uy. Wake up na, uy. Sa mani pagpukaw niya. Ito na wala ko na, oh. Bitay. Uy, wake up. First day of school. Riley, wake up na, Riley. Hi, guys. Riley, wake up. Yoo-hoo. Wake up. Yoo-hoo. Riley, get na. Wake up na, boy. Lugay, wake up. Ay. Sige na.
Gusto ko.
Ha? Wake up na, lagi. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, say hi. Say hi, guys. Good morning. Good. Magitan ni. Tulog na pagbalik. Oh. Say hi, guys. Sige na. Say wake up. Wake up. Sige na, uy. Breakfast na. Riley. Uy. Breakfast na ba kay... Mag-ready na ka. Sige na, take a bath. It's... Saan naman tayo ni Ron? Oh, pinasutso.
Okay.
Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Because? Why? Angry daw siya. Why are you angry? Oh. Why are you angry? Why are you angry?
I'm tired.
Tired?
Yeah.
Why you're tired?
I want to rest.
Huh?
I want to rest.
You want to rest? You just woke up. Why are you tired? You just woke up.
So I'm so itchy.
Huh?
I'm so itchy.
Itchy?
Yeah.
Where?
Ah, the sticker baby.
Take a bath na lang. Why you're coughing? Wake up na. You need to eat breakfast na.
Okay,
I wake up. You're already ano day. Let's go na. Let's go. Let's go downstairs.
bye guys.
Bye guys. Let's go downstairs. Let's go. Come on. Bye bye.
What? That's a nummy.
Smells yummy.
That's waffle.
Waffle. It's good.
I love waffle.
You like waffle?
That's my feet. start my game. My feet. Come to that. My feet start my game.
Your favorite?
Yeah. I must have one. Oh, oh. There. Water bottle.
What happened?
Hurt.
You get hurt?
I want to take a bath, Papa.
Why?
Come with me. I don't want like sign the hedgehog. I make for like hedge.
Where are you going?
Get up to ring. I mean, I was go to SM.
Is it? You're going to school, not SM. Let's go.
No,
Come on.
you don't get up to
Let's go.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye, Riley. Bye-bye. How's your school?
Papa,
Yeah?
Papa, I like that.
Okay. How's your school?
I put it in my head like this.
So wet.
Oh, you're King Riley?
Yeah,
So wet.
You like school?
yeah.
Why?
Let's see.
Glossy rain.
Why?
Walk.
Riley, Riley, what did you learn at school today? Nothing?
I'm sure, darling. Oh, Riley, what did you learn at school?
What did you learn today at school?
A king.
What?
A king.
A king?
Yeah, why is king?
Ay,
Riley
yeah,
is a king?
because
Yeah,
yes, I know.
I write my name.
You write
Ah, you
Yeah,
wrote your name?
The teacher write my name.
You wrote your name?
Yeah. It was printed. Look at that. Look at Mama. Daddy Achijo.
Oh.
Over there.
That? So you're a king?
King Rai.
He write. Look at I write my name. Look.
You wrote your name?
Yeah. It says R Y N E N I L N I. Wowie.
Very
good.
That's what you learned at school?
Look at I put my teacher write letter R.
Aww.
Look at it's letter R.
What
Did
else?
you write that? Did you draw crayons on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
like what a
Teacher, give me crayons.
Crayons.
I just bought it.
And do you like school that? It's good that?
Yeah.
You wanna go to school again?
I'm a king underwater.
You're not scared anymore?
I'm a king underwater.
You're the king of the world?